Josh, bringing you another video for you guys today. Now, basically, normally I do this inside my house, but basically I'm actually in my car right now. So, here is the thing. Now, it took 2 weeks for me to get the desk, which basically is in the back right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's in the back. But basically, I know today is like May 1st and everything's supposed to lift and everything. I see a lot of people wearing a mask, basically, but I don't have the money right now to go out and get me one. So, just gonna have to wing it, I guess. But I'm at Meijer right now, and the missus is in right now getting herself some coffee and everything. She's about ready to get ready to come out right now, but I'm just want to make this video real quick. So this intro right here, I'm gonna be unboxing it a little bit and putting some of it together, but I might end up because some people actually said it took about 5 hours for some people to put this thing together, which I don't know if that's going to take me that long, but it probably take me shorter. So yeah, let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome to the next day right now. Now I did have to video me putting it together, but it was so long. It took about like 45 minutes of the time lapse, but it took me about like 3.5 hours for me to put together, and that's me getting up to go take a couple breaks and go give me a drink a couple times. And but it's all done. It's all built. It weighed exactly a ton, but it was worth that then. So here we are right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything right here. So if you open up the door, now you kind of do see like the proton pack and the DeLorean right there, which I'll tell you about the DeLorean in a minute. Also, you'll see the paint booth that's going to be coming up right here, and then the work area right there. So let's get cracking. All right, now we actually walk in, and here is, you see the paint area and also the display area, which I'm actually real happy with the display area right now. I might end up getting like another tall one that will go right there in the corner right there, because there's nothing in the closet, so I might as well go ahead and get like another tall one right there. That way I can put like some of my Ghostbusters memorabilia stuff on there or something. I might end up doing something like that. So I might end up getting another one that's like this right here. I put it right there, but get like another tall one or something. Then you got the paint booth. Now, basically, all of my stuff is underneath here, basically, because I do not have a toolbox yet. But it's coming along pretty good. Also, you can see right here that I even got all my Back to the Future shrine right here. Now, basically, I do got the tree, and a little while back, I did got the flux capacitor. Now, here's the thing. Elmos, you should be ashamed of yourselves for that. Because those right there are exactly low quality. Basically, they should refund us back the money for that. But here's the desk right here. And here's crypto coming too. So here it is right here. It's all done, all put together. I got my computer right there. There's the work area right there. I even installed the light over there. So let's go ahead and get a nice good tour of what everything is right now. So basically what we're going to be doing now is like, I want to go ahead and put my phone on my tripod right now at the moment. Let's see. There we go. Perfect. Now basically, like when I place the camera, it will be like right here. So we'll have exactly the playing room, and plus I even have playing room for my 3D printer I'm going to be getting pretty soon, and also my scanner that I'm going to get pretty soon as well. And also I haven't got enough room right here for my DeLorean. I was thinking about getting like another big one, like a bigger one, but I said, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and just leave by that. But once I start building the Terminator, The Terminator is going to be a lot more bigger. It's going to be a lot more because I could probably build some of the small parts right here, but then I'm going to have to move it to right here to put the big thing together. So because the Terminator is like half its size, so that's that's kind of okay. But now you guys see that I have all these right here. They're all organized. Basically, everything I spent like hours putting this thing together. Plus, I even got my nice little light right here. No, I didn't drill no holes. Basically, I just have a screw right here. I just unscrewed, put it right in. No damage whatsoever. If I want to, I can also take it off, and then I can actually put like a nice little light underneath here as well if I want to. So I even got some of the other parts right. I even got some of the tools right here. I got my soldering iron right here that I gotta get a new one for. I got my little hands-on magnifier right here. Even got that right there. So I got that back out of the mothballs. And tell you what, you guys, I'm real excited right now with this desk right now. They actually came out great. It took a lot of time for me, and plus all the drawers right here. Drawers are perfect. Don't have to worry about anything getting misplaced or anything. But I want to try to see about what this desk will be like in the next half a year, about another 6 months by Christmas time, because I know because sometimes when I put stuff down, I put it aside, then I get something else, I'll put another aside, then I sometimes I get stuff so organized that I actually get de-organized. I don't know why. So what I'm going to do next is I want to see like how this actually would be as a nice time lapse of like me having everything right here like this. But I tell you what, now I'm moving the camera up a little bit like this. Now you see like everything is so clean and so organized and so much room right here. Like here's my computer area that I'm going to put on my 3D printer right here, and also my little work area. So basically, I'll have a plenty of room right here for that. And if I move my little hard drive and I put the camera like right here, you guys have a great better view of me building stuff like right here. So that's a real good plus right there. Also, I just happened to take a look today that we actually got a couple new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. And if you are new to my channel, I do happen to got a Doombook group. I will have a link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Hit that notification bell. And every time I upload a video, you will know. Now, basically, when I'm building stuff, I will have that camera aimed down right here. Turn this light on, that way you guys can see. And look, you have a nice, good view right here. Now, here's the thing. This wall here is so blank right now that I'm thinking about putting some stuff right here. That way it has like, you guys have like something to look at right here as well. Instead of a blank wall and me doing something like right here. Now, I'm thinking about doing something like that. Or maybe what I should do is, the room looks great, you guys. I tell you what, the room looks great. It looks so clean. It's organized. I got my little paint area right there. And I got my tripod right there. That way when I paint, I can actually have it like facing down. I am thinking about getting another one right now, but I don't have the money right now to go out and get one, so I'm just going to have to leave it like as is. But then once I start with another bigger project, I'll probably want to have to get another one anyway, because I can't just take stuff outside if it's raining, or I'm going to have to wait till another day. But theoretically, I'm real happy with the results right now of what this right here is starting to look, and I'm real happy right now. I can not tell you like how big this room is right now. This is a little bit bigger of what the last workshop was. Now, the last workshop was like not even close to this size. Basically, it actually was so small to where it was a joke. Let's just say. But this right here is twice as big. We're going to have more videos in here, and it's going to have more organized and more good sharp angles right here, and it'll be great. Now, as for this desk right here, this desk was a pain in the butt to get because I had it delivered, but I had to go up to FedEx office and pick it up myself. I know with the virus and everything that's been going on, I know that kind of slowed everything down. People quit, people left, but basically, it's called common sense. Though they should have just told me, say, "Hey, we won't be able to deliver your package. You're going to come down here and pick it up." But basically, after I kind of tried to pick this up myself, it's so heavy to where it some of the stuff it should have been like all the metal stuff should be in one box, all the wood stuff should be in another box. That way it'll protect. That way they the wood won't get damaged, the metal won't get damaged or bent or everything. But some pieces were bent, but I unbent them because it's basically metal. It's basically pretty much easy. Now I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys also probably think Josh shut the hell up. Well, okay. I want to go ahead and include this video right now. And I'll just go ahead and just show you guys the DeLorean a little bit later with the tree. But basically, that's the desk right there, and that's my chair right there. So I got basically everything at this at Walmart. This right here, they're sold out of. I don't know why they're sold out, but they are. They're sold out. But you can actually get this on eBay right now. Um, I don't know what I forgot the name. I know it's Bear Homes, but that's a real great brand. That's actually Walmart's brand. But take a look at this right here. That's like so organized right there. Now I got to make another video for World of Wayne because he wants to see all of your man caves, your little work areas. He basically wants to see that, but basically I'm not exactly ready for that yet, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready to get everything pretty much done. So hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. And also, stay safe.